That's Ezra. Attends, wait. First big rain. Super wet. Ciao, little guy. Hey. Hey. Love the rain. And that's me after a very difficult night where we got taken by a storm. Non, c'est vrai. Franchement, c'était une tempête. Where we had giboulée, de la grêle. Comment tu dis ça en anglais?
Hail.
Hail. That's my bold husband.
No, but seriously, afterwards, the next day, there were like mountains of hail. I've never seen that anywhere in my life.
But big
Like-
ones after an entire night. We almost
Like 2 meters high.
died.
And today, you know what she did? We parked the car to go get a coffee while Ezra was sleeping. So Ezra was sleeping nicely in the car. We get out of the car and we're in the coffee, and then
She
Elodie shouts and sees the car moving because she forgot to put on the handbrake. That is dangerous. Crazy.
Voilà, so we are heading to Napoli, right?
Inshallah.
And southern Italy is really rainy and cloudy and stormy. So this is not exactly what we expected. And that's us in the beach with little Ezra.